Hi, this is Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert and lifestyle coach. Today I came with one new topic, that is what is the key to a successful budget. Why the successful people will have always their financials to the next level, why their major financial system will be enrich monthly basis only because of their budgeting skills. If you have a skills to manage the money in a right way, you will know the major aspects of your life. What is the major important in your life is whether your money is earning in a daily basis or monthly basis, whether you are a salaried person or a business person, how much money you are earning is not a matters, and why you are managing and how you are managing and when you are managing that money is a matters. So if you know these things in a right way, how to manage your money, so that you have a clear visibility about the things, about your financials, about your money management, so that today I am giving the major golden nuggets. What is the key to a successful budget? The successful budget means to everybody is how we manage the money in a right way. What are all the major aspects of the money management to be gathered in a right way, so that if you know all these things, if you understand these things, definitely you will see the real transformation of your life. So that please understand the things, don't skip this video, so that you see please see this video till the end, so that you know the major aspects, what is most important to gain the successful habits in a budget. I am Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert and lifestyle coach. I am in a mission to empower 1 million working professionals and entrepreneurs to build a wealth in a phased manner. That's why I created root analysis wealth model. So if you want to know the major aspects about your financials and budgeting and money management, please visit my website www.madhukodidala.com, so that you know the things, why the money is important, why the budgeting is important, why the financial enrichment is important, to build your wallets to the next level, to build your money as per your wish. If you are thinking to be rich, if you are thinking to be more evolved person, you have to know the major aspects of financials. So in this video I am giving the major one good topic, that is key to a successful budget, so that you know the major aspects about your financials. I am sharing my screen to you, so that you know the major aspects and the golden nuggets. What I am sharing today, it will be really transform your life in the aspects of money management. So please understand the major things, what you want to know, what you want to know to get the habit of successful budget. First you need to have priorities set for successful budget. What are all the priorities you need to set? The priority should be, sit with one blank sheet and analyze and think about what are all the expenses you are incurring, and see that the expenses of your monthly households, or for child purpose, or for your personal purpose, or what are all the major expenses incurred in a daily basis or for monthly basis. You just write down all those things in separate sheet, or digital note is also okay, so that you know the clear visibility how much you are spending on a monthly basis and daily basis, and what are all the income you are incurring, so that you know what is the major expenses and income what you are incurring. So that please sit aside and analyze all those things. You write down all those things, whether it is grocery expenses, whether it is fuel expenses, whether it is vegetables expenses, whether it is any type of expenses incurred in a daily basis, you just write down. And second, the most thing is, what kind of life do you really wish? That is the most second priority, so that you know why the individual person need to really evolve to the next level. What kind of life do you really want? I want to be financially free at the time of retirement, or you want to be very burdened or you want to be dependent on your children at the time of your age? Think about that. And what is your imagination at the time of 58, at the time of 60 years? You want to roam world tours, or you want to depend on your children? You want to be lead with your lovely wife, while lovely spouse, or you want to depend on your children? Think about that. Imagine that thing, and strictly think about this, all the parameters, and work on how much money you want to save, how much money you are spending right now. Think about those things. So if you're thinking on these parameters, your mind will turn around. You will see the real change. If you are earning 1 lakh rupee, if you are earning 50,000 rupees, if you are earning 10,000 rupees or 10 lakhs rupees also, how much, whatever the money you are earning, how much you are spending, how much you are managing the money, and how much you are investing, and how much you are spending, how much you are keeping money aside for your retirement, how much money you are keeping aside for your skill enhancement and for your personality development is a matters to get anything at the time of your freedom, at the time of your age of 58 or 60. So please understand these things. Priorities to be set at right time. This is the right time for you. Please don't skip this video. It will be really transform your life in the terms of financial matters. The second golden nugget is identification of all your revenue sources. What are all the revenue, what are all the incomes you are getting, whether you are a business person or a salaried person, whether your whether your income is from rent, whether your income is from salary, whether your income is from business, whether your income is from any other sources, or any investments returns are coming, all those returns you just write down in one separate journal so that you have a clear visibility. Identification of all the incomes and identification of all your expenses. You just write down the things so that you have to know the major priorities about your expenses, where you are spending unnecessary, and how I can minimize that expenses as per my daily note. So identification your past expenses also, how much you are expend last month and last before month, how much you are expending this month, how much you are spending this month, so that you know the real exact figure how much you are spending compared to the last and previous month, so that you know the real visibility of about chances to reduce the expenses compared to the last month. So please try to understand this simple thing so that you have to change the simple habit of one day task to think all these things, so that you will change the real transformation about your financial system. So set the priorities and identify the major income sources and expenses, where the money is coming, where the money is going, so that you know the things, what is the major aspects. So the major priorities is, the first priority is how much money, enough money for my, how much enough money for my retirement, how much exactly I need for my retirement. And the second priority is how much enough money for my child education. If you know the exact amount what you want at the time of retirement, you know what is the exact amount what you want to for your child education, what your child to become, whether your child to become an IAS officer, whether your child to become a businessman, whether a child to become a doctor, an engineer, or any entrepreneur, whatsoever the thing, how much you are keeping aside, so that you don't burden, or so you don't burden about your present financial situation, how you need to manage and how you need to reduce all those things, so that you have a, how much you are spending that money, how much you are saving your financials, about entire income what you are incurring on a monthly basis. Or suppose your income is 1 lakh rupee and you are spending 50,000 rupees, and remaining 50,000 rupees where you are spending, whether you are investing or you are keeping aside for your future purpose, what are all those things you need to understand, so that how much money you want to be at the time of retirement, you need to know exactly, you need to know, and how much money how much money you need to know for your children, you need to get for your children, is also second most priority you need to understand. And the third most priority is pay off at least 2% to 5% extra every month of your mortgages, whether it is a personal loan, educational loan, car loan, home loan, mortgage, any mortgages loan you have. Try to add one small penny every month, so that your burden will be reduced drastically compared to the previous months. This is the major aspects. If you are having a mortgages or loans, any liabilities, use this concept. Otherwise, save that particular 2 to 5% every month without knowingly. You will see the upgradation of your balances of your financial bank account. Whether you want to transfer this 2% to 5% of extra money on a daily basis to your savings account or any investment mutual funds or SAP, whatever things. If you want all those 6 investment ideas, go and visit my website www.madhukodidala, or visit the YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala, so that you know the real change about these priorities set about investments. So please understand these priorities, so that you know the major aspects about all these things. And the major golden nugget is setting end figure what you really wish per month. What is the major thing? Whether you want to be save at least 10,000 rupees, or you want to save 1 lakh to 5 lakhs rupees, or 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees, or more than 10 lakhs rupees. How much you want to save, and what is your income now, and are you identifying any major multiple streams of income, so that your money will be saved, your money will be enhanced, your money will be enriched in such a way where your particular money knowledge, money skills to be evolved to save your particular saved money of 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, whatsoever the amount, so that you will see the real development in your bank balances. So please try to change your small habit about these things, about analyzing about your financials, analyzing about your past expenses, analyzing about your major things, analyzing about your financial matters, and identify the major financial skills about budgeting, how much you are spending and why you are spending that thing, whether this spending amount is really incurred for this month, for this particular day or not. You just analyze, so that you see the real transformation. So set the priorities and understand these things, and involve yourself to the most effective way, so that you see the real change about you, real change about your financial matters, real change about your money management. So money management is the only way you will see the bank balances to be to the next level. So you want to improve your bank balances, you have to know the money management at any cost. You are earning the money, but if you don't know the how to manage the money, there is no use of earning the money also. If you are earning 2 lakhs rupees, you are spending 2 lakhs rupees and every more than 2 lakhs rupees and every month by taking a credit card loans and paying off all the mortgages loans, there is no use of earning 2 lakhs rupees. No, you don't set the particular goals, you don't set the tasks, there is no use of earning the money. So please understand, money management is the only thing, money management is the only parameter, money management the only aspect, money management is the only golden nugget. You have to manage money in a right way, and how to manage in a right way, it is in your hand. I'm here to guide you, I'm here to give the information to you, I'm here to evolve, enrich your skills to the next level, how to manage these things, so that your financial position to be improved in the next level. So please understand this simple thing, you will see the real transformation about your money, real transformation about your life change of money management. Why I'm telling you the life change is, if your bank balance is good, you see the real happiness in your face. Somebody having a lot of money also, but they don't have a happiness because of doesn't have a personal peace, they doesn't have any happiness in their home, so that they have problems. But at least by using this money, you will have the clear visibility about the financial matters gathering of your family members. So please understand the simple aspects of management of money is a major way, and please go and listen this video from beginning to end so that you see the real change. Thank you very much. This is Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert. If this video is useful to you, please share this video to every individual so that they know the main importance. They will know the main importance about this video, so that they will share and they will understand the financial matters about the major aspect of successful budgeting. So please understand things, what is important, why I'm telling these things to you all for enrich your financial skills. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends and well wishers, and visit my website www.madhukodidala so that you know the real visibility about the exact why the money is important, why the money management is important, why your skills to be developed in the space of wealth is important. These are all aspects to be clearly given in that website www.madhukodidala. Thank you very much. Signing off.